What's your name and what you do for a living?
So I'm Peter Graham and I'm a systems engineer for Energy Systems Catapult.
Where do you come from?
Scotland.
Perfect. What do you do here?
So yeah, it's just been a great opportunity to get together and network with people, see some excellent presentations and get involved in panel sessions, tutorials, workshops. There's lots on offer.
What this not means on your...
So this just means that I'm on the programme committee, so I'm the programme chair for this event, so I pieced together the details of the programme with the help of the technical committee and reviewing the papers and ensuring that we've got a well-balanced and inclusive and above all interesting programme.
Okay, would you recommend other guys to do that if they decide to? Is it difficult?
It's a big commitment. You know, there's a level of responsibility there, and of course you do things in a voluntary capacity.
Yes.
But you know, it's very rewarding seeing something like this come together, seeing everyone interacting again. This is the first in-person event for EMEA since 2019, so pre-COVID obviously. There's a lot of energy around the room, so yeah, I think it's been worth all the effort, so highly recommended.
Yeah. So you said you're here because of subject matter stuff. Is that the only one thing you're here for?
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess there's two things. I mean, for me, one, that systems engineering is playing an increasingly important role in achieving a more sustainable world. But I think the second thing is just that in-person interaction. So we're not all getting that in our day-to-day working lives. You know, we're now working remotely, and I think you get a different level of connection when you can just talk to people. You go to the sessions, but then you can follow up after. You can have a chat at the bar. So yeah. There's just so much more on offer when you can get together in person.
Okay, let me get straight to the point. You're wearing jacket now. Yesterday it was a bit less formal and there is a tent behind you. Is there something, do they have something together in common, these facts? That there is a tent and you were not that formal dressed yesterday?
Yeah, I mean, so maybe, I mean, there's a festival going on just now in Seville. Yeah, and so brilliant festival, really vibrant. Again, it's one of the great things about having an event like this, that it takes people to somewhere different.
Yes.
And you can see different lifestyles and you can see take part in different events and things, so it's pretty exciting. So yeah, the tents behind are alluding to the festival that's happening just now here in Seville, and really exciting, so vibrant, such an amount of energy, and really, yeah, quite reflective of the conference itself.
Perfect. A couple of sentences to the end. What would you say to guys and girls who didn't attend? How do you motivate them to do that next time?
Yes, it's a good question. I mean, I think sometimes you have to kind of just take a chance and come to these things, you know, trust your instinct. If your area of interest is systems engineering, and if you care about challenges such as sustainability, it's not all about sustainability, but that type of complex space between engineered systems, social and economic problems coming together, then really, I just feel that you would be inspired coming to this. So just take a gamble. Why not give it a try?
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.